new project in the house. A couple of issues. As you can see, it's really beat. This was a flea market find. Even the game is not looking too good.
Oh!
I put some batteries, and I'll show you what it's doing. Yeah, the lettering, not so good. I don't know if you can see that. So, yeah, not displaying well. And the other thing I noticed was these buttons. They're a bit soft. Something happened here, especially to the left here. This one, kind of alright. Up, eh. I don't know. But I plan on taking this apart and refurbishing it. I did also get a new screen for it. Other than that, the case alone is going to be really beat. But you know what? Shows character, right? As long as we change this, I think I'll be alright with it. Set that off to the side. Work on it after. Let me zoom you in a bit. What do we got going on over here with the speaker? Is this thing glued? Must be. I don't remember how that comes out. Anyways, I'll just flip it over. Take out these screws. I'm going to wash all of these here. Including the buttons. I would like to take this face out. Actually take out the speaker. I think it's just stuck. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's either glued or it's in there somehow. Try to pry it one more time. Nope. Yep, it's in there. Okay. I might just unsolder it. What do we have here? Okay, well, since I'm here, let me take out the screen. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. Okay, let me check something out real quick here. Let's do the back side. This little area is really dirty. Also in here, these rings, all that debris in there. because this case, it's mangled. I will try to get some of these things out of here without scratching. Like this piece of cloth. Looks like something was melted right on it. Let me see here. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and continue doing this. Looks like I'm going to be here for a while. Set that off to the side. I'm going to spray some cleaner here. Also, on the wheel. Trying to freshen up those contacts. See if I can see in here. Looking pretty good actually. Okay. Now I'm going to clean out this board as well. Just removing dust and debris, basically. Alright, I'm happy with that. That's looking pretty good. Let me just spread this up a little bit. Let me just clean this, yeah. Oh man, I took out the date. It was actually you can still see it. Actually it's a code 00722. Okay, I like that. The other thing to do is these contacts. Let's see if I can take them out. That one is really bad, and yeah, it's just this one. The other two are fine. So let me go ahead and clean this up. I like to scuff it up with some sandpaper, like that, and then work it. I might just bring this to the wire brush. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, the wire wheel. And I might take this up, if it even comes out. Nope, it's stuck. I know why, because of this here. There's a stop there. That. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to go polish this up. Alright, got it polished up. Let's put that spring back in here. Like so. Here we go. That looks really good. One thing. Just gotta press this here. See if I got it. Yep. Feels a lot better than before. Alright, let's go ahead and put that screen. There we go. Okay. Just making sure everything's lined up correctly. Got all the screws here. There we have it. It is working. Sorry about the glare. Jeez, horrible. Let's see if I can turn that up, that contrast. Oh, there we go. There it is. As you can see, Super Mario. Awesome. Let me see if I can peel this off real quick, and then we'll call it a day. There we have it. Let's see if I can get it on here. Can you see that? Yeah, somewhere, right? Oh, how about the volume? Let's see. Now before it wouldn't go back, so let's see. Oh yeah, it's working now. Beautiful. Let's see. Sorry about the glare. Doing this backwards, as you can see. Or should I say upside down? Alright, so as you can see, it's working. Thank you for coming in, checking out this video. If you guys like to leave a quick comment, go ahead down below. Leave me a like, that would help out the channel. And that's it. I'm out of here.